Hey, Jim. Well, here's the scenario. Let's say you have an E70 X5 and your battery's gone dead. Or like in my case, you were so smart that you opened the rear hatch where the battery is, disconnected your battery, then closed the hatch. Dummy. So, well, let's say you have a dead battery. If you can get under the hood, you can try and connect power. Positive side would go right to here, and then the negative side goes right to there. But let's say you don't have a way to jump and you got to get the rear hatch open. There is a way to do it manually. Let me get some better lighting. But first of all, fold down the seats. Okay, so we're going to climb on into the back, and you'll see right here in the middle is this little black tab. Pull that down, give it a pull. There we go. Obviously, I still have my battery hooked up, but that's how you manually open an E70 X5, and probably a bunch of other cars are similar. I would imagine have a similar feature. Thanks for watching.